Omaha man accused of plotting to attack the country's highest officials earlier this month will remain in custody until trial.
Abraham Hermosillo Alvarez is charged with conspiracy to murder and conspiracy to commit an offense against the United States.
KETV News Watch 7's John Grunwald was in the courtroom earlier today and has this story.
A federal district court judge ruled on Monday that 31-year-old Abraham Hermosillo Alvarez will remain in the custody of U.S. Marshals, saying he's a potential threat to the public. There were no cameras allowed in court, but reporters caught up with Alvarez's attorney, Stu Dornan, after the hearing.
It was not unexpected that the judge would rule as she did, based upon the evidence that so far has been presented.
Assistant U.S. Attorney Donald Klein worked to stitch together the chronology of the alleged plot to attack federal officials with drones and guns at the White House. Law enforcement said it was being organized via the encrypted app Signal in a group chat called The Hunters. FBI Special Agent Sina Sohelian testified the group only began devising the plan about a week before the White House UFC event on June 14th, the same day Alvarez was arrested at his Omaha home. He also said Alvarez, who is accused of being in the country illegally, was preparing a property he owned in the town of western Nebraska as a fallback point. Sohelian says as late as June 11th, Alvarez, who went by the alias Shepard, was active in the chat, saying, quote, "This op is a go," and that it's, quote, "too late to back out now. The brakes are off. Failure is not an option." But in cross-examination, Dornan pointed to communication on June 12th, where Alvarez apparently called off the operation after 2 cars broke down. Sohelian says the plot wasn't canceled, only postponed to July 4th. Dornan has not yet seen that specific communication.
I will not legally have that until after he is arraigned, pleads not guilty.
Sohelian says law enforcement found a drone, flamethrower, and shotgun in Alvarez's home. Reporting for KETV News Watch 7, I'm John Grunwald.